Alright guys, I got a 2020 Nissan Altima here. We're gonna replace the battery. Battery's weak. Check engine light came on. Started giving codes for a whole bunch of stuff. So got ourselves a battery here. This is a 47G group. So make sure you always, if the battery is like twisted just the way it is, positive is on this side, negative is on that side. Sometimes you will put a battery in, the posts are reversed, and you connect it, bada bing, bada boom, you blew a bunch of things. So to replace this battery, I like to save the memory. So what I like to do is put my jump box onto this and ground the jump box somewhere, so we have live power all times. And then what we're gonna do is this. It should be very simple and easy. You're gonna have we got a bolt down there, all of it on there. So this little cover just like comes right off. So that looks like a 13 millimeter or 14. I'll get that 10 millimeter and 10 millimeter, and we should be easily able to take this off. So I did connect my positive to the positive, and I grounded the jump box over here. A lot of people criticize me, oh, you don't have to do that, but you don't want to be losing the memory on the throttle body, a whole bunch of other stuff. So 13 millimeter, this little guy comes off, and let me see if I can grab it out of there. Okay, it won't come out till this cover comes out, but we're gonna switch this socket. Got me a 10 millimeter here, deep socket. Okay, let me put this on. And I am gonna loosen this. Let me get this jump box kind of out of the way. So that's loose, and I'm gonna loosen this little guy. And always make sure you don't short circuit anything. So if I had a person, I would have them hop, but no need to. This thing is just gonna stay there stable. And I'm gonna stick this down here, and now we should be able to get this cover off. Very important you put this back on, because it kind of protects the battery winter time, keeps it nice and warm. And there's the little cover with the 13 millimeter that we removed. This little guy. So let's put this guy right here. So usually it'll have a handle, but this one won't have a handle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just gently grab this battery, and it should come off. It's kind of stuck to this side, so it's gonna have to move this way. So I can't hold the camera, so I'll put the camera right here so you guys can see me lifting this battery out of here. There it goes. So it was a very weak start. The customer had to jump often. So this little guy right here, you do need to take this guy right here. If you have a whole port here, just stick this in right here, and let's remove this little guy. Okay, so that's that. Let's remove this positive off. So right now it'd be a good idea for us to put this little guy back in, because it's kind of easy. And what I want to do here is I'm gonna have to kind of get it in there somehow, some way. And let me see if I can manage to do this one hand. And we're gonna tighten this up. Don't worry about the battery right now being disconnected. So let's put this on. Make sure you catch this. So we can always tighten this later. Let's put this back down. We gotta get our cover now. Okay, let's put the cover on. A lot of people will question me, positive off first, negative off first. I done it wrong way, I done it right way. Everyone make mistakes, but in this case, today's video, we're gonna put positive first, and then we're gonna put the negative in. So this car is back to life. We're gonna lock this up, and we're gonna lock this up. Okay, I'm gonna switch the sockets. One last thing that we need to tighten. Bada bing, bada boom. What we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the jump box. No longer need it. So there it is. Sorry about the camera angle everywhere. But just make sure you double check your terminals. Let me put this back on one hand, guys. If I could do it with one hand, make sure it's nice and tight. One more thing I want to get. good stuff right here. Okay, battery protector, part number, item number 80370. Okay, it's a spray, it protects the terminals and stuff, so I like to spray this on. Bada bing, bada boom. Let me put this back on, and we got that tight. This cover goes on, this goes on, and you're all set. Guys, thank you for watching my video, and that's how you change your battery on this baby Nissan Altima 2020.